That the coronavirus pandemic is an international crisis is unarguable. The leader of the UN has called it the biggest international threat in the 75-year history of the organization.
It is essential that developed countries immediately assist those less developed to bolster their health systems and their response capacity to stop transmission. Otherwise, we face the nightmare of the disease spreading like wildfire in the global south, with millions of deaths and the prospect of the disease re-emerging where it was previously suppressed. Let us remember that we are only as strong as the weakest health system in our interconnected world.
And since the disease first began to spread in Wuhan at the end of 2019, most of the international community has come together, with medical supplies being sent around the world to wherever they're most badly needed. To take but one example, Italy has received medicines, ventilators, masks, and doctors. Former apparent enemies are having to become friends. Donald Trump even had to thank Russia and China for sending medical supplies to the new epicenter of the global pandemic. The UK Foreign Secretary, Dominic Raab, called on NATO to play a pivotal part in overcoming the global threat posed by the virus by working together to cooperate on creating a vaccine and support the global economy. And it's not just medical necessities. Scientists and virologists are sharing data in a frantic search for the first vaccine, and every piece of public data about infection rates and death tolls allows other countries to finesse their policies. Some companies around the world have converted their technologies from making everything from planes, cars and vacuum cleaners to ventilators to try and deal with unprecedented global demand. Around 10% of COVID-19 sufferers do need a ventilator, and it's estimated that an extra 880,000 will be needed around the world in the coming months. But this is only the beginning. And can this cooperation last? It's thought the coronavirus is going to cost the global economy more than $1 trillion. And that's the equivalent of losing the yearly GDP of Indonesia, the 16th largest economy in the world. If countries are to avoid bankruptcy, we're going to have to continue to all work together.